Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to jumpstart a 2019 Honda Ridgeline. Park both vehicles close enough for cables to reach, engines off, and parking brakes engaged. Locate the Ridgeline battery or jump terminal under the hood and inspect for corrosion or damage. Prepare cables and the donor battery, and confirm voltage is 12 volts. Keep faces away from the battery and remove loose jewelry before proceeding with connections. Start by connecting the red clamp to the positive terminal on the Ridgeline, then the red clamp to the donor vehicle positive. Next, attach the black clamp to the donor negative terminal and connect the final black clamp to an unpainted metal ground on the Ridgeline away from the battery. Double-check all clamps are secure and clear of moving parts. Keep the donor engine running for a few minutes to charge the dead battery gently. After charging for a few minutes, try starting the Ridgeline and let it run once it starts. If it starts, keep the engine running for about 15 minutes or drive to help recharge the battery. Turn off accessories and avoid rapid shutdowns until you're confident the battery holds a charge. If the Ridgeline does not start after several safe attempts, disconnect cables in reverse order and consider testing the battery, alternator, or starter with
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.